Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to schedule TikTok screen time breaks. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. So open your TikTok app and open your profile and tap on this three-line icon to the right hand corner of the screen and tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on digital wellbeing. And once you're here, tap on screen time breaks, and now you can select a time. You can select 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and also you can tap on custom time to select a time from 5 minutes to 60 minutes. So for example, I'm just selecting here 5 minutes and tapping on done. And that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.